In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download mods from Steam Workshop. If you're new to modding, the Steam Workshop makes it simple to discover and add community-made content to your games. Let's walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Steam client on your PC and logging into your account. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the account where you own the game you want to mod. A stable connection helps the download start smoothly. Next, head to the games page. You can get there from your library by selecting the game, or from the store page if you're browsing. On the games page, look for a button labeled Workshop or browse the workshop. Not every game uses the workshop, so if you don't see it, that usually means the game doesn't support Steam Workshop mods. When you do see the workshop button, click it to open the game's mod browser. Inside the workshop, take a moment to explore. You can use the search bar to find something specific, or apply filters like most popular, most subscribed, or most recent to surface the kind of content you want. Categories are helpful for narrowing things down, whether you're after new maps, gameplay tweaks, skins, or tools. Scrolling through a few pages gives you a feel for what the community recommends. When a mod catches your eye, click it to open its detail page. This is where you'll find screenshots, a description from the creator, requirements, and user ratings. Read the description carefully to see if the mod needs any DLC or other mods, and check the comments for notes on compatibility or recent updates. Glance at the file size and any change notes if they're available so you know what's included. When you're ready, click the subscribe button on the mods page. Subscribing adds the mod to your account and tells Steam to download it automatically in the background. You don't need to hunt for a separate download link, the subscription handles that for you. To watch the progress, open the Downloads section in the Steam client. You'll see the mod listed there just like a game update, with its download and installation status. If downloads are paused, resume them, and give Steam a moment to finish. Larger mods may take longer depending on your connection speed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.